power. This is a big political super scoop that Republic is getting you at this point in time. Sources indicating that Mukul Roy could be joining the Trinamool Congress at 2 p.m. Mukul Roy to join the TMC today at 2 p.m. He will be going to Mamata Banerjee's residence as well. So rejoining will take place at Mamata Banerjee's residence. This big political development, viewers, all set to take place at 2 p.m. this afternoon. He will be then going to the Trinamool Bhavan after meeting Mamata Banerjee. Mukul Roy, once again, all set to join the Trinamool Congress. Anuj, my colleague, is joining us with more details. He's been tracking that story for us. Anuj, this is big breaking news that we're picking up this afternoon. Mukul Roy could be joining the TMC at 2 p.m., could be meeting the Chief Minister there.
Oh, well, exactly. Big development coming in from the state of West Bengal. This is happening after the election. We have seen earlier how Mukul Roy left TMC and joined Bharatiya Janata Party. In the election, he was the one who's taking care of everything on the ground. And now what we have been told that this is going to be the rejoining of Mukul Roy. He'll be again coming back to TMC. He will be meeting Mamata Banerjee, the Supremo of TMC, the Chief Minister of West Bengal. And after that, what we have been told in the Trinamool Bhavan, this is going to be the joining process, which is going to be done in West Bengal itself. So that's the latest, the big development coming in from the state of West Bengal. Many of the leaders who left TMC and joined Bharatiya Janata Party before the election, what we have been told, is already in touch with TMC. So this is going to be like wait and watch what exactly will be the responsibilities again that will be given to Mukul Roy, and what exactly will be the structure on which he will be working. Because Mukul Roy is the part of BJP, was the part of BJP, and in the election we have seen his activeness when we are talking about the political development in the state of West Bengal. But we have to wait for the ramification of the same, that what exactly is going to be the political ramification of the same and how BJP is going to react on the same. But as we are breaking this news at this point in time, that Mukul Roy at 2 p.m. is expected to join TMC. This is going to be the rejoining again. Mukul Roy, who was the minister in TMC earlier, is now again going to come back in TMC, and this is to see what exactly will be the responsibilities that will be given to Mukul Roy, because there would be some term and condition discussion has happened earlier with the TMC leadership, what we have been told. So this is to wait and watch what exactly will be the responsibilities, but this is the biggest development coming in from the state of West Bengal. Once the loyalist of Mamata Banerjee, later he left TMC, joined Bharatiya Janata Party, worked with the Bharatiya Janata Party, but after the election result, and we have seen the graph of TMC, the massive victory of TMC. Now this is again going to be the rejoining of Mukul Roy in Trinamool Congress, and he will be meeting Mamata Banerjee, as we are telling it to our viewers. Let's see what exactly will be the responsibilities and who all are the other leaders who left TMC earlier and they are in touch with TMC and is expected to join Bharatiya Janata Party. So we have to see what exactly Bharatiya Janata Party response is on the same. But this is the biggest development coming in from the state of West Bengal after the election. Mukul Roy, one of the top leader of TMC once, now again going to rejoin Trinamool Congress, and that is expected at 2 p.m. in Trinamool Bhavan in the state of West Bengal in Calcutta. Yes.
Of course, this is big political development that is all set to take place in West Bengal, Anuj. But, let's talk about the reverse pattern here. As far as from TMC to BJP, the turncoats dominated the 2021 West Bengal Assembly elections, and that remained the biggest talking point. So many defections took place, right? Now there have been reports coming in of how some of them now want to go back to the TMC after the West Bengal Assembly results. And Mukul Roy is a big name. Let's not forget his contribution in the 2021 West Bengal Assembly elections for the Bharatiya Janata Party. Are we looking at a reverse pattern now?
Oh, well, exactly. That is something what we are expected. Because if Mukul Roy is going to join TMC, then this is going to be hard-hitting factor for Bharatiya Janata Party. Obviously, as you pointed it out very rightly, we have seen him day and night working on the ground in 2021 election. When we are talking about the assembly election, we have seen the activeness of Mukul Roy, there being a Bengali, there being a leader from the ground from West Bengal. Bharatiya Janata Party was also giving him numbers of opportunity. But at the end of the day, when the result comes, at the end of the day, when this was a massive victory for TMC, now this is again what we have been told, that the leader who once was loyalist of Mamata Banerjee left TMC, joined Bharatiya Janata Party, but after the election, now this is something which we call ramification of the same. After the result of the assembly election, what we have been told, this is again going to be the rejoining of Mukul Roy. So reverse pattern, if we are talking about, then yes, this is going to be the reverse pattern. Then yes, we are expecting that this is going to be hard-hitting line from Mukul Roy, what exactly he has to say about Bharatiya Janata Party, because we have to keep in mind the kind of attacking mode he was in when we were covering, or rather when we were seeing the assembly election of 2021. He was in the attacking mode. We have seen him attacking directly to Mamata Banerjee and the top leadership of TMC. But now coming back to TMC is going to be the bigger question, that what exactly is going to be the responsibilities, what exactly has reached to the consensus that now the Bharatiya Janata Party leader is coming back to TMC, who was once the loyalist of TMC. As we are telling it to our viewers, that this is not limited to Mukul Roy or a single leader, but there are many more leaders who left TMC earlier, joined Bharatiya Janata Party, who are in touch with the TMC leadership. So this is to see how BJP is going to handle the things, how BJP is going to react on the same. But if we talk about the ground level, we have seen that this was the massive victory for Trinamool Congress. Again, they came back in power with such a massive votes in the state of West Bengal. So yes, this is a worrisome situation for Bharatiya Janata Party also on the ground, because they were preparing the ground from around last 6 years. And we have seen the focus of Bharatiya Janata Party in the assembly election. When we are talking about West Bengal, this was like the top leadership, 7 ministers, including central ministers, who all were there on the ground, including Prime Minister himself, including Home Minister Amit Shah himself, who were doing massive rallies, who were doing massive road shows in the state of West Bengal. But finally, at the end of the day, the result was something else, which was not even expected by Bharatiya Janata Party. But now the ramification of the same could be clearly seen on the ground, because this is Mukul Roy, the top leader, who himself was a top leader when he was in TMC, who himself was the face of Bharatiya Janata Party also when we are talking about the election which recently held in the state of West Bengal. And as I pointed out earlier also, day and night we have seen Mukul Roy in action in the recent assembly election. But now coming back to TMC is something which need to be understood, that what exactly has happened and how exactly the things reached to consensus that he is again rejoining the Trinamool Congress, and what exactly will be the responsibilities, will he be the minister again, what exactly is going to be the role of Mukul Roy in Trinamool Congress. This is to wait and watch when Mukul Roy himself, what we have been told after joining, will be interacting with the media and will be coming out that what exactly has happened and what exactly his point of view on the same is. Yes.
Absolutely. You know, Anuj, one more thing that we'll possibly be looking out for is the kind of explanation these leaders will be giving to the people of West Bengal. You know, they did cite a lot of reasons when they jumped ship to the BJP from the TMC. And now that, you know, the reverse is happening, they did indeed go on to target the TMC on several issues like corruption, you know, lack of employment, and also minority appeasement. So, you know, a certain sort of face value also that they need to consider when they go ahead with this kind of a decision.
That's a question, because they have to face Janta at the end of the day. At the end of the day, this is going to be the public whom they have to face, whether being it Bharatiya Janata Party, whether being it Trinamool Congress, but all the leadership, if we talk about, all the representative, whether being it MLA, MPs, Chief Minister or other post holders, they have to face the public at the end of the day. They have to face the Janta at the end of the day. As you pointed it out very rightly, and we were telling it to our viewers, we have seen him in the attacking mode when we have seen the recent General Assembly election. So there he was attacking TMC, talking about the corruption, talking about the employment, talking about the lawlessness, talking about the security, law and order situation. Everything has been mentioned by Mukul Roy. We have seen him in the attacking mode. So how they are going to face the public, the Janta there, because these were the people who are Bengalis, and the Bengali card was very much played when we are talking about TMC. Why outsider coming? This was the slogan, this was the statement, this was the line which was taken by Mamata Banerjee, and thereafter we have seen how the things were focused on Bengalis, and even Mamata Banerjee used same line when she was on the ground, Bengali, and that's something what we are seeing now. The leader who was once the face of Bharatiya Janata Party in the recent election, if we talk about, now switching again and coming back to TMC, is going to be the larger question, that how and what exactly is their explanation to the people down there on the ground. Because they were the one, we have seen him doing numbers of rallies, being it Calcutta itself, being it Nandigram or any other part of West Bengal. We have seen Mukul Roy so much active in the recent assembly election, and they were delivering their speech. They were talking about the corruption which has been done by TMC, and Mukul Roy himself was talking about the corruption, talking about the lawlessness, and now again coming back and rejoining TMC is going to be something which is obviously going to raise question that what exactly has happened, that all of a sudden the mind changes and you're again coming back to the party whom you were criticizing few days back in the recent assembly election. So this is going to be the larger question. So we have to see what exactly is going to be his response when he will be interacting with media after the joining. But yes, questions are going to be raised, and this exactly is going to be the question, that what exactly has happened suddenly, that everything has reached to the consensus, and what exactly changed the mind. Yes.
And Anuj, as far as this political development is concerned, any reaction so far that you've picked up from any of the leaders of the TMC or the BJP as well? BJP, of course, would definitely be rattled by this move, given that more than 30 leaders switched over from the TMC to the BJP ahead of the 2021 West Bengal Assembly elections. And now the tide seems to be turning back. So certainly a big political development. Anuj, we'll for the moment leave it at that with you. We'll keep coming back with more reactions on this big political update.